Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Hope you all are staying healthy wherever you are. Today gonna share one of the yummiest cutlet recipe, that's chicken vegetable cutlet, which you can have it as a snack or as a starter. And we'll show you how to make and freeze it so it stays fresh for months and you can enjoy this quick snack anytime you want. Along with that, have also shared tips to freeze spring rolls for a longer time. So do watch the video until end and enjoy this nutritiously delicious cutlet at home. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for getting notified for more interesting and healthy videos. So let's begin. In veggies, I have taken few garlic cloves, few green chilies, one medium sized carrot and few cabbage leaves, and have taken some fresh coriander leaves. Now chop them finely, and then we require half a kg of boneless chicken which I have cooked with some salt and little water. Now gonna shred the chicken finely, as you can see. Now let's prepare cutlet. For that, into a pan, heat up oil. Here I am using 1 tablespoon of oil, and then to this add finely chopped garlic and green chilies. Keep flame on medium, and then we're going to saute them until raw aroma goes and it turns golden in color. Once aroma releases and turns golden, then to this we're going to add the veggies. So adding finely chopped carrot and cabbage. Then we're going to stir fry these veggies for a minute. Remember, we don't need to cook them completely. We just need to saute them so we can have a crunchy texture in our cutlets. You can add any veggies of your choice. Now it's sauteed for a minute. To this gonna add finely chopped coriander leaves and then saute for a few seconds. Then goes in 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. The pepper powder and chili flakes are homemade. We'll share the link in description box, so do check it out. Now add salt as required. Then mix and saute for a minute. You may adjust the spices as per your taste. Now once this is well sauteed, to this we're going to add the shredded chicken now. So add the shredded chicken and then give a good mix. Now saute the chicken and the veggies for 2 to 3 minutes until there is no moisture left. Now I have been sauteing for 2 to 3 minutes now, and you can see the mixture is ready and it's off moisture now. There's no moisture left and this is perfect. So at this stage, we're going to transfer it to a plate and then allow it to cool down completely. Upon cooling down, you may use the same mixture to make cutlets, or you can use it as a stuffing to make spring rolls. I have shared a detailed video on how to make spring roll sheets and its stuffing. We'll share the link in the description box, so do check that out. You can see how perfectly the spring rolls is ready now. Once it's ready, just keep it in freezer for 10 to 15 minutes and then fry them. And a crispy spring rolls are ready. You may also freeze them in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag, and you can freeze for 2 to 3 months. And whenever required, just bring it to room temperature, shallow fry them, and that's it. A crispy spring rolls are ready. Now let's move on to the cutlet mixture, which is cooled down completely. Now to this we're going to add breadcrumbs now. Now for making breadcrumbs, here I have taken 3 bread slices which you're going to place in a grinder and grind it well. And you can see instant breadcrumbs are ready. Now add these breadcrumbs to the cutlet mixture. I transfer the mixture to a bigger bowl so it's easy for combining. Now mix it very well. Soon you will see the bread gets well combined with the mixture and has a sticky texture. At this stage, check the seasoning and add salt if required. And then we're going to add 1 egg to it. Now combine this very well. Hope you are liking this video. If so, please hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos. You can see the cutlet mixture is very well ready now. Now we're just going to need to shape and then fry them. Now once mixture is ready, take a small portion as you require and then gonna give a shape. Just roll it between your palm and then gently press and flatten it. And oval shaped cutlet is ready. You can give any shape of your choice, either give it round shape, oval shape or heart shape, whichever shape you prefer. Now repeat the same with the remaining mixture. Once all are shaped, a quick tip: after you shape the cutlets, keep it in a freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. This is very important. We'll tell you why. Now you can see all the cutlets are shaped now. Now we're going to place this in the freezer. And after freezing, you can see the texture turns firm. Look how hard it has become. So just keep for 10 to 15 minutes and then proceed with frying. Now a quick tip on how to freeze these cutlets. Just place it in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag and then freeze it. It will stay fresh for 2 to 3 months. Whenever required, just remove from the freezer, bring it to room temperature and then proceed with frying. Now these cutlets are ready to go to freezer. Now let me show you how these cutlet looks after freezing. This is how the spring rolls and the cutlet looks. Now let's proceed with frying the cutlets. So here I'm going to shallow fry them. You may also bake them in oven if you want. Now for shallow frying, heat up a pan and drizzle oil. Then gently place these cutlets and fry them on both sides until they turn golden and crispy. Keep the flame on medium-low and in just few minutes you will see it's fried on one side. So just flip it and then cook on the other side too. Once you make and freeze these cutlets, it's an instant healthy snack. All you need to do is just defreeze it, shallow fry and enjoy it. You can see the cutlets are fried on both the sides now and it's very well cooked. So at this stage, transfer it to a plate. Look at it, how beautiful and crispy it looks. And enjoy this as an evening snack or as a starter. We personally love to have it as an evening snack along with ginger tea. So do try this extremely delicious snack that's packed with full of nutrition and protein, and enjoy it with your favorite dips or sauce or even as a starter. You may also use it to stuff your buns and have it as a burger. Isn't this very simple to make and taste really delicious? A crispy chicken vegetable cutlet is absolutely ready. Now let me break and show you. Look at it, how delicious it looks. So do try this recipe and leave your comments below. Hope you like this video. If so, please hit the like button, and for more interesting and healthy videos, do subscribe and press the bell icon for getting notified. See you soon with another interesting video. Until then, eat healthy and be happy. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.